wait. I'll tell you now.
Daar lê die foon.
Ek sien nou vertel, hoor.
Hello.
Hello, Portia.
Yeah.
Hi, it's Anne here from Dr. Jason's offices. Listen, I've got bad or good news, depends on how you see it. The pregnancy result, it is positive. Congratulations, my darling.
From who?
From Dr. Jason. I think we should go for the ear test as well. Huh?
Portia, nee, dis Casper hier, so ek spot sommer met jou. Jy het die kaartjies gewen vir vanaand se show.
Baie dankie.
Ja, dis 'n plesier. Jy moet dit geniet. Ek sien jou vanaand daar en kom sê hallo vir my na die tyd met my apparently skreeuende hemp.
Okay, hoe kry ek die kaartjies?
Jy moet slaap met Aiden. No, I don't know. They'll tell you now.
Thank you very
Okay,
much.
Portia. Okay.
Portia, hi, it's Aiden. Congrats. Okay, you've won the tickets. We'll be in touch.
Hi.
Yeah, I say you've won the tickets.
She
We'll
doesn't
be
know
in
what's
touch.
going on now.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Bye-bye. Miskien is sy swanger.